Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Coinbase wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You'll then be prompted to secure it with a strong password or biometric identification. This initial step is quick and ensures your digital assets are protected from the start. Next, you'll encounter your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet, so it's incredibly important. Write it down accurately and store it in a secure, offline place like a safe. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Losing it means losing access to your crypto. Now that your wallet is set up, you'll want to add funds. You can easily transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase Exchange account directly to your Coinbase wallet. Alternatively, you can receive crypto from other wallets or exchanges by sharing your unique public wallet address. Just ensure you select the correct cryptocurrency and network for your transfer. With funds in your Coinbase wallet, you can now explore its many features. You can send and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and even interact with decentralized applications, or dApps, through the built-in browser. The wallet provides a user-friendly interface to manage your digital assets and track their value, giving you full control over your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.